In this video, I'm going to discuss the process to convert exercise 2 into a drawing file. So again, I just have Ex2 open right here. I'm going to go to File, New, select Drawing, and say OK. And again, I'm going to do an A-size drawing. And the first thing that I want to do with this is I want to move this stuff around a little bit because I know that I've got a lot of dimensions to place. And I also want to do a projected view so that I've got everything in here that I need. Now, again, we've got this up here, we've got this, and what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go ahead and turn off all reference geometry now so that I don't see any of it. That way I can have a little bit cleaner canvas to work with. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Annotate tab, and I'm going to go ahead and select my dimension tool. I want to dimension this first between here and place that, and then I will dimension this and place that. So I've got my 15 and my 80 in here. Over here I'm going to dimension this, which is going to be 10, and then I'll dimension the 15 on this side. So there's the 15. Now, one thing that you're going to find, the standard for these parts, the standard is actually kind of strange. It's got really long extension lines and stuff like that coming off of the arrowheads. So in the case for some of the exercise files that we have this week, you're going to have a few things that are going to overlap. As far as this week is concerned, I'm not 100% concerned about that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in the overall height, which is 40. We'll put the 30 in for this, 30 in for this, and for this one here, I do need to move my text to the other side. That way it's not overlapping. So here I've got my 30, got my 30 here, my 10, my 15, my 40, the 15, the 80, and if you notice, I haven't used this top view a whole lot yet. Even if the view becomes, for all intents and purposes, unnecessary in what we're doing, go ahead and just keep it in there. We'll talk about what views you actually need later on, and then you can decide how exactly you want to do it. But what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and finishing out the dimensions that I need to place for this actual assignment. And again, the process is to click the two reference edges and then middle click with your mouse to actually place the dimension. So here I have my 10, my 15, 20, got the 20 back, the 40 depth, 80, 15. It looks like I have all the dimensions that I need for this particular exercise. So at this point I'm just going to hit save to make sure that this is saved. Click publish, PDF, export, and again I'm just going to save this right out to my desktop and wait for it to come up with the preview. The preview of the file looks good. I can close out the preview and proceed to save the file.